I'm gonna be doing some wrapping today. And for the record, I did change out of my pajamas into this onesie just to be cozy and stuff. But I did actually get ready this morning, so don't come for me. And I'll be honest, most of the stuff I'll be wrapping right now is Lixie Pig stuff for her family. But I figured I'd help out because I consider myself an expert wrapper. I'm a glass like lemonade living in Alaska, but I'm a mermaid. How'd you get here, you may ask? I'm just kidding, not that kind of wrapper. But if you like that rap, check out the full version in Ellie and Shelly in the Unit Circle. It's an original song and rap by Lixie Pig and is pretty embarrassing, so you should watch it. Shameless plug. Okay, so I've talked long enough, now let's get wrapping. Okay, but really quick, can we talk about how cute this wrapping paper is? It's a bunch of doggies in really cute Christmas sweaters. Oh my gosh, this one is definitely my favorite. Okay, a gift I actually am really excited about is this one I got from my sister. They're these Laneige lip masks that I think I've shown in my nighttime routine, but this one is like a collab with BTS, which is super fun. Luckily, my sister doesn't watch my videos, so I don't think this will spoil it. And I'll be honest, I purchased this at about 11 o'clock at night while laying in bed. But you know, sometimes you need to be spontaneous. What really caught my eye are the flavors were peach iced tea, sweet candy, which is sold out of the single packs, and butter. Like, I really like butter, okay? So I had to get it. So I'm excited to give those to her and definitely use all of them. Okay, so I finally wrapped all the presents, and now the final test of my wrapping skills is labeling who all these presents are for by memory. Definitely did that on purpose to be a challenge, and did not just forget to do it as I went. Oh boy. Okay, it's the next day, and now my family's going to pick out a Christmas tree. I'm sorry the footage for this is so bad. It was out in public, so I was kind of embarrassed to vlog, and this clip I recorded in time-lapse for some reason, so I'm sorry about the bad quality. But here's some cute pictures I got with the Christmas trees. We live really close by to this garden store, so we just decided to walk it back home. So here's my family carrying it home. I was luckily in charge of filming, so I didn't have to carry it at first, but I carried it like halfway home, and it is so heavy. My shoulder was legit sore the next day. There was this big gap in the front, so we filled it in with some of the bottom branches, and voila. Okay, we got the Christmas tree, we carried it home, and it is so nice. It's like kind of short, but in our house it looks really tall. So now we're gonna decorate it. Okay, so the tree is actually fully decorated now. I'm sorry I didn't film any of it. I'll be honest, carrying that tree home, I was so exhausted. I literally just took a nap, and my mom got impatient and decorated the tree herself. So yeah, that's done. But next, I'm gonna go make some cookies. Today we'll be making these chocolate crinkle cookies. It says red velvet, but we don't put the red food coloring, so it's just chocolate. But we're using a very old recipe that Sam wrote down when she was about 10 years old and couldn't do fractions. So she did a lot of work for that. Hey everyone, so sorry I didn't get any more footage. It just got really hectic. My family was hosting at our house, so I was making cookies left and right. It just got kind of overwhelming, so I didn't film anymore, but it is a few days after Christmas right now, but I realized I forgot to end the vlog, so that's what I'm gonna do here. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe next year I'll step up my game for Vlogmas. I only did 2 videos, but had a ton of fun making them. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! And it is so nice.
Wow, nice jacket, eh?
My shoulder was legit. My shoulder was legit. My shoulder was legit sore. My shoulder was legit sore after this. Yeah, luckily my sister doesn't watch my videos because she does not support my lifestyle and became a lawyer and made my parents proud.